related to sound and light. Light, these are the samples of light. We have here the LED na ginagamit sa traffic lights and entertainment. So what are the innovation of light and sound? So for the light, one is the LED technology. So kagaya nga na sinabi ko, the light emitting diode, the LED produce light when electricity passes through a semiconductor material. So what are the uses of LED? So sa traffic light, television screen, flashlight, billboard, and decorative lights. And for the advantages naman, we have here the energy efficient, long-lasting, brighter than ordinary bulbs, and produce less heat. So that is the LED technology. So what is LED technology? The LED technology is referred as a chipset in light. Different chipsets are capable of offering different luminosity with a varied range of colors. So a light emitting a diode is a semiconductor light source. So the LED or semiconductor of P and N junction diode. So ito ay may mga molded epoxy lens sa loob para for protection. Number two is the laser technology. Kung ang number one natin is the LED, ang number two natin ay laser technology. So, what do you mean by laser? So, when you say laser, it means the light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So, usually, ang lasers daw natin produce more concentrated beams of light. So, concentrated yung kanyang light. At saan daw natin to makikita? So uses of the lasers usually in the barcode scanner, laser surgery, sa CD or the DVD players, laser pointers, and industrial cutting tools. So what are the importance of lasers? So usually this one is very highly accurate, powerful yung light beam niya, and useful in medicine and industry. For number three naman, we have here the hologram technology. So when you say hologram, a hologram is a three-dimensional image form using the light. So meron daw three-dimensional image na gamit yung light. So these are the examples of the hologram. Application of the hologram: entertainment shows, advertising, display, security features on ID and money, museum, and exhibition. So what are the importance of the hologram? To create realistic visual display, improve the presentation and entertainment, and enhance the security features. So now and for the light, so ngayon naman nandito tayo sa sound. So what is the innovation about the sounds? So number one is the sound amplifier. For the sound amplifier daw increase the loudness of the sound. So the example of the sound amplifier: megaphone, speaker, concert sound system, hearing. And why amplifiers are very important? So ang ating daw amplifiers make sounds louder and clear, useful for communication, help larger audience to hear the sounds more clearly. And of course, we have also here the soundproofing technology. Pag sinabi natin soundproofing technology, it reduces the unwanted noise. So material used for this is the foam panel, thick curtain, insulated wall, and acoustic panel. So ito yung ginagamit para sa soundproofing. Ang application naman nito, nakikita natin siya with the recording studios, cinema, offices, libraries. So, ang importance nito depende sa gamit. It also reduces the distraction. It also improves the sound quality and protects the hearing and privacy. Okay, for the guided questions, why are LED more efficient than ordinary bulb? Usually, the LED natin is electrical energy and produce less heat while giving the brighter light. How are laser useful in medicine? So, ang laser daw natin help the doctor to perform the accurate surgeries and medical treatment. Why are hologram becoming the popular in entertainment? So hologram create the realistic and visually impressive display for audiences. And how do sound amplifier improve the communication? So amplifier makes sound louder and clearer, more people so can hear the messages. And why is soundproofing important in recording? So ang soundproofing natin is block the unwanted noise and improve the recording quality. Okay, for the assessment number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank you for watching.